You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this word in English, pronounced as thong. It's just like tongue, you know the word tongue? Well, it's pronounced the same but with th sound. Thong. How to pronounce in English, also known as flip-flops. Thong. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.